Today we're gonna be fishing for bass. That's our main goal today. Catch a bass. Any size. Preferably a big one. We'll fish around a couple different lures until we catch something. The water's gone up again. Got one. And guess what it is? Off the bluegill wrap shad. That one's pretty. Here he goes. Now if we can catch one a little bit bigger than that one, I'll be happy. Fish on. Oh, another one. Off the same lure. That one's got his fins beat up a little bit. They like this bluegill pattern. Oh my god, this guy just came off the bank and smashed that thing. Gosh. Holy sheesh. Oh my gosh. Look, he's so dark. Bluegill pattern. Gosh, I'm shaking. That was so awesome. Beautiful fish. Oh, yes! Them smallmouth always wait till the last second to bite it. Like every time it's right to the bank. That was freaking sweet. I wish I recorded that. It was about right there and he just came up and smashed that thing. Man, I already lost 2 bass and a goldeye. So we downsized that back hook and added another little ring. And that might help. Guess we'll see. Got one. Looks like our thing did work. It's goldeye. Boom. Feisty little buggers. Well, our Apollo snagged. Oh, that hurts. There goes $8. Oh, I switched up the color and we got one. Oh, no, there he went. That was a good one. Off that color. Jeez. That was literally the first cast with this one, too. Oh, we got another one. Same spot. Same lure. Let's see if we can get this one in, actually. Nice. Pretty fish. These guys are strong. Fish on. Feels like a good one. Big goldeye. Jeez, that's a big one. That was off the red wrap shad. Sweet. Man, I lost that green and orange wrap shad along with that one we were catching all the bass earlier on in the same spot. So hopefully when the water goes down I can get those. Otherwise we're stuck with this red one. I just about lost it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. Don't come off, don't come off. Holy shit. Oh, look at that. That is a monster. Holy crap. Whew. That's a big one. Whew. Well, these are the first time I've been catching anything off this lure. That's pretty good. Man, I'm not too sure, but I think that was a PB. That was a big one. Well, I just tripped and you guessed it. Broke the reel. And we're snagged. Oh. It hurts. It hurts. Well, we didn't lose our lure, but man, that really sucks. I have another rod with the same reel, so I'm just gonna switch those out. But man, that sucks. Not gonna let that ruin our day though. One more bass. One more. If we can catch one more without a thingy on our reel, that'll be good. I'll be happy with that. This is how we're gonna have to reel. It works though. I don't know what it's gonna be like when there's a fish on there. Oh, fish on. Oh, and we got a broken reel. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's a goldeye. Not a bass. Be fighting harder. It's a little goldeye. Hoo. Dang. With the broken reel. We need a bass. Gosh, we got a bass. Oh. Oh, it's a good one too. Last fish of the day. No, they're just monster. With the broken reel. Gosh. Oh, we got a fish on. Broken reel. Another goldeye. Another goldeye off the broken reel. Got a smallie. That was right off the bank. Man, this one's really dark. Nice one. That one's really dark. Look at the gray bottom. It's like silver. Pretty fish. Oh, that's another bass with the broken reel. I'm calling it after that bass. Doing that's getting tiring. Alright, we're out of here. That was a good day of fishing.